How you doing, guys? I'm going to show you how to set up your megawatt power supply. A lot of guys order the megawatt power supplies. I have just a little 30 amp one here. I have 250 amps under my desk. This 30 amp I'm just going to run in a little test set here, you know, with for my scope and my signal generator. I'm going to put the power supply over here, complete the setup. So I just need a 30 amp for now. A lot of guys don't understand how to wire these. So you got L and or this is for ground. I'll go in here. So your ground goes on this one here, where this is your ground signal. Your N is be neutral. That would be your white one. And then your L, I guess you could consider your hot lead. Okay, that's your black. Because they do come with the power cable. So it's L, N, and ground. Hot, black, neutral, white, and then green for ground. Okay. And then on the megawatts, they have a inline switch for on and off. All right. Then what I do, when you first get it, you want to adjust the voltage from here. You have a voltage adjust here, little trimmer. So I take my little meter, okay, and I set one into the hot and one into a neutral, because you have 3 for hot, 3 for neutral. Voltage negative, voltage positive for hooking up your radios, your amp, whatever you're going to need. So you have 1, 2, 3. These 3 here are negative. These 3 here are positive, and that's your adjustment for how many volts you want it to put out. So it's going to be L is black, N is white. This is ground, which would be green. Then you go into this side, negatives, 1, 2, 3. You got your split, plus over here, 1, 2, 3, positive. Okay, voltage adjust says right here. V adjust, that's right here. So we're going to turn this on quickly with our switch. Okay. And I will turn my power switch on over here. All right, you hear the fan spin up. We're going to turn on our little thing for voltage here. I'm going to set it to DC voltage. And we're putting out 8.5. I turned it down. 8.5. I want to get that up. So we have it on. Slowly twist this here. You can see your volts coming up. 9.2. 10. Okay, all the way up will give us 15.63, which is too much for our radios. I'm going to go to 14.4. 14.4 is where I want to be. I'm going to back off. Just a little touch will take it up. That was just a tiny bit. Very touchy. I want to get to 14.4. The VR is very touchy. $14.46. That is very close. I don't know if I'm able to get down that little 0.6 here. Ooh, see, just a little touch. Just a little touch takes you up. $14.4, $14.5, and I'll let it set. There, that's good as I'm going to get it. 14.43, 14.42. Okay, and then you power off your supply. Okay, and you'll see supply's powered off, not putting out anything, it's draining, which is nice. The little light even went down to nothing. And then I will put my terminals on there. So as you can see, the capacitors are draining down, it's working nice. Okay. So that's how you set up your little megawatt power supply, how you set up the connections. Like I said, you have 3 positive here and 3 negative here, and that's how you wire that. So hope that was helpful.